When you hear the word hustler, the images that usually come to mind is someone who's trying to make a quick buck. These images include the pool shark, someone playing three-card Monte, or someone trying to sell you a designer watch from inside their overcoat. For me, it happened when I was on my way to the grocery store, and I was stopped in the parking lot on my way in by this guy with an Italian accent trying to sell me a designer watch. Now, he's told me that he was just left a jewelry convention and he was on his way back to Italy and had to catch a plane in about 30 minutes, and he didn't want to take his inventory back with him. Now, there were several problems with his approach. One, he assumed I was part of his target market, in which I wasn't, and therefore he wasted a lot of time and resources on what he thought was a potential sell, which would never be a sell. Two, he never mentioned the benefits of his product, only his time constraints. And in business and negotiation, when you are at a time limit, that puts you at a disadvantage when you're trying to negotiate a transaction. And finally, failing to perform some of the basic sales transactions pretty much almost guaranteed that he wouldn't have been successful in that sales. Now, I want to mention right now that everyone with a hustler mentality is not doing something illegal or shady or anything like that, because now there are some that are, but many of them have great work habits and are very innovative when it comes to business. As a matter of fact, why don't we just go ahead and cover the 4 main characteristics of the hustler mentality, or what I also refer to as the survival mentality.